Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the attention of the House to those districts of Punjab like Firozpur, Gurdaspur, and Amritsar, etc., which touch Indo-Pak border. Fencing of the border was done there 4 years ago. The gates have been constructed 2 kilometers away from the fencing. The problem of those farmers who have to go through these gates for farming is that when they leave in the morning, they are allowed to return only in the evening by the BSF and other security men. The government had evolved a policy for constructing barbed wire 50 yards away from the border line in district Firozpur, but the fencing has been done one had a half to 2 kilometers away. Consequently, thousands of acres of land fall beyond fencing line. Moreover, BSF personnel open different gates on different days. I demand that keeping in view the difficulties being faced by the farmers, these gates should be opened daily and they should be allowed to move to and fro whenever they finish their work. I had raised this issue 2-3 times earlier also, but no attention has been paid to it. Mr. Speaker, sir, the central government employees drawing a basic salary up to rupees 3,500 are in a position to get 11% increase in their dearness allowance following upward trend in the consumer price index. Sir, the state government employees should also get their dearness allowance at this increased rate, but the state governments are not in a position to finance all the state government employees. So, I would urge upon the central government to provide financial assistance to the states so that they can also provide additional dearness allowance to their employees. Further, the poor peasants and laborers who are unorganized and unemployed are facing tremendous hardships due to upward trend in the consumer price index. Hence, the amount of subsidy should also be increased for essential commodities which are made available to the poor peasants and laborers through the public distribution system so that can also enjoy to some extent the relief. Mr. Speaker, sir, I have given a notice regarding harassment and atrocities on Harijans in my parliamentary constituency, Nagar Karnool. I want to draw the attention of the House to an incident which occurred there. A member of a primitive tribe was taken in the Amravati police station by the police. He was beaten in the police station where his leg was broken. He is now admitted in the hospital. This case was represented by me to the DSP, SP and DIG. Full stop. For PDF, follow our Instagram, Telegram or YouTube channel. Thank you.